everyone, welcome back to Sit Sweats.
I'm Siddharth.
And I'm Swati. And today we're going to play with dominoes.
If you don't know what's dominoes, don't think about a pizza dominoes. It's a play dominoes.
Yes, those colorful little blocks over here.
Like an example, if you do like this, if one block falls, every block falls. Cool,
Yes,
right?
and today we're going to do a challenge with it.
Like this.
That's right, we're going to do a challenge with it today. First challenge is to make a straight line. If you see dominoes, if you make a small movement to one block, all of the blocks fall down. So whoever makes a straight line without knocking the blocks down gets 1 point.
Not blocks, dominoes.
Well, yes, dominoes. And the second challenge is making an S. Whoever can make an S without
What I just said now in the last, without knocking down.
yes, without knocking it down is the winner. Last, whoever gets most of the points is the winner.
If the both of the person get a tie, you're both the winner.
So let's get going with dominoes quickers, yo!
And by the way, we make buildings with this dominoes.
Yeah. Okay, everyone. So the first challenge is to make a straight line. Okay, so here's the dominoes. Let's get started in 3, 2, 1, go!
Yeah!
I'm done.
Oh, I have to stop. Okay.
So I won this challenge, 1 point for me. So I get 1 point. So let's knock those dominoes off, okay? It's very fun to play with. So I've got 1 point, and in the next challenge, let's hope so that this gets 1 point. Then we'll both be a tie, right?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. So let's go to the next challenge. Okay, everyone. So round 1's finished. In round 2, we said we would make an S, but the table's too small, so we're not gonna make an S. Instead, we're gonna make a small circle that would fit the table. We've got the dominoes down here, so let's get started. We'll get started in 3, 2, 1, go! It's okay.
Yeah, I did it, baby.
Sidhu did it already. That's so cool. Sidhu gets 1 point. I get 1 point. We're on a tie now. Yay! The next round, who is going to win? Third round, whoever wins is the winner. Who's gonna win?
I wonder which shape it is first anyway.
Yeah, let's go to the third round. Yay! Okay, everyone. So the third challenge is the 4-level thin tower. It's nothing but a tower which is thin and has 4 levels. That's it, right?
Yeah.
So shall we start?
Yeah, and it's like a one.
Yes, like a big. Okay, so 3, 2, 1, go! It's okay. It's okay, I'll wait for you. It's okay.
Thank you.
It's okay, wait. It's okay. The table's so shaky.
No, that's because the fan is on over there.
This is hard.
Whoa, why do I keep on falling off the
It's okay. Okay. Now, let's last one. It's okay. It's fine. Here you go. Do it. Okay, so we finished our 4-level thin tower.
Yeah.
Yes, so we both did it at the same time, so we both get a point. So he's got 2 points, I've got 2 points, we're both the winner. Wow, that is so cool. So we finished this 4-level tin tower, so let's destroy it. I like destroy it. So it's actually very cool that we both did it together and we finished it. It's a tie, so yeah.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna call it out.
Okay, so I'm gonna just. Okay, so there's a lot of dominoes here. I think you're wondering, where did you buy these? It's just simple as that. We didn't go to any shop. It's just in Amazon. So if you just type Domino's in Amazon, it will be in front of your eye. So it's actually very fun. If you like in the holidays, if you play with this, it's very active.
Yeah,
You'll be very active and your brain will work and concentration will come, so that's fun. Adults, kids, even old people can play this. It's so fun. So colorful and bright colors here. So we've had such a good fun, and I'm sure that you will too. So please, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. So bye for now.
Yeah, bye. And this is me, the Domino Siddharth. Yay!
And this is me, Pink Swati, yay!
Yeah!
Okay, so bye!
Bye! And I want to use my favorite color.